Hey everybody, this is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. Last night, our new HE washing machine and the matching dryer were delivered. And I gotta say that I was observing how they worked last night, and I was really skeptical. I'd never seen a washer work in this the way that these do. And I don't know how well you can see what's going on the inside there because I got my fingerprints and everything all over the glass top. But I have not removed any of the stickers or anything. I'm going to leave those on till Mrs. Low Cash Homestead gets home. And Mrs. Low Cash Homestead works in the medical field by trade. And so, she can be gone for, a day or two at a time, sometimes 3. She has opted to continue working more for herself. And what I mean by that is she wants to, her personality and everything like that is she wants to be helping people. She wants to be taking care of people, and that's just her nature, So I don't object to that. If she wants to, work, then that's fine with her because it keeps her happy. But our washing machine crapped out, and Mrs. Low Cash Homestead ordered these online, and they were delivered yesterday. And like I said, I spent a lot of time watching them going, man, is this thing working right? Is this thing working right? There's no way it's working right. But it turns out they work fantastic. So far, I've been very pleased with the results. And out of about 7 loads of clothes, also this thing, I don't know the cubic footage on this, but this thing holds a lot of clothes. Almost like you can put almost a laundry basket and a half. And I'm talking about a laundry basket like this one. Inside this washing machine, and it still comes out pretty well. And then we have the matching dryer, and you have to forgive me, my laundry room's a mess because I've been out of a washing machine for about a week or so. But we have the matching dryer, and again, one thing I do like is that it's all programmable, so you can adjust the parameters a little bit within each type and within each setting. So that has been very interesting. But what I found out is that the way these are designed, the clothes do not move up and down through the water like an agitator style washer would. They kind of grind against each other, and that's how they get clean. But so far I've been very pleased with the results. You can still see my fingerprints and face prints on it because I've been observing it, and I'm not going to Windex this glass top or anything while all the stickers are on it. But I figured I'd show you, and this one is a Whirlpool. Did I say that already? I don't remember if this one's a Whirlpool. And it's got very, very big tank. Right now I've got 3 blankets and like 4 pillows in there, and it seems to be doing just fine. We're going to find out how everything got cleaned when I pull it out. But overall, I mean, this is the laundry basket load. Now I'm 5'8", and this load of clothes goes like up to my armpit. So that's just what I've done today. Oh, and this rack of clothes here, and that's just what I've done today since about 1 o'clock, and it's about 7 o'clock now. So it's Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a great day. And one last thing I wanted to say is that I had been concerned when they sized our septic system, because they sized it on a number of bedrooms and occupants, that it was going to be sized a little bit too small, given that there are 9 people and sometimes 10 that live in the home. And I was concerned because, each load of laundry, that's 40 gallons. That's 40 gallons, and I do lots and lots of laundry every day, at least 3 to 4 loads of laundry every day. But this washing machine uses much less water, so it's not using 40 loads of water it's not using 40 gallons of water per load. It's using much less than that. So gray water in our area is controversial, so everything is tied into the septic, including the washing machine. And I was concerned that the washing machine would output a lot more water, although what we do have now is a dosing system, so it uses these little pressurized emitters and pumps to dose the laundry rooms. Okay, I hear my kids going because dinner is coming out of the oven, and so we're going to let you go. Yes, everybody's going to get burritos, baby. This is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Hey everybody, Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. One other thing I wanted to say about this dryer, and I'll probably have some more things to say, this is our new high efficiency dryer, is the location of the lint trap. That is just, I know it's kind of like a stupid thing to get excited about, but the lint trap is like right there in the door. And I've always liked that. And please remember to clean before each load. So, the location of the lint trap is right there in the front. It's not on the back of the dryer, back top, where you have to pull this long, crazy lint trap out. It's right there. And that's kind of a stupid thing to get excited about, but it's pretty cool. Thank you very much. Have a good night. Okay, what can I say? This is a fantastic washing machine. This is a Whirlpool high efficiency. Has these really cool instructions like what to wash. Colors, darks, whites, towels, bedding, your extra cycles, and then how to wash it. Normal, quick, delicate, heavy, color fast, temperature controls. Fantastic washing machine. This thing holds more laundry than any washing machine I have ever owned, including large capacities. And without that agitator, I was skeptical, and you'll see in previous versions of this video, or earlier in the video I should say, that I was skeptical about how well this is going to clean without the agitator, but this thing rocks. Look at the size of the drum in this dryer. This thing has a huge drum, and most importantly, the lint trap is exactly where it should be, right here at the door. And it has this nice little reminder, clean before each load. This is Matt with the Low Cash Homestead. Thank you very much. Have a good night.